Hey guys, Shawn Yacoubian here with Yacoubian Muay Thai. Today we're gonna be doing a head kick with the right leg. First things first, fighting stance. As soon as you're gonna kick the head, release the heel from the ground. That way you have something to pivot with. The second reason why you release the heel from the ground is that it'll help you kick higher. If your flexibility is only so much, you just gained another 4 inches or so because you just get up on your toe. Kicking to the body and kicking to the head, it's the same thing, it's just a different target. So now that we're doing kick to the head, again, you want to get up on that toe, get up off the heel, get on that toe and kick high. Up on that toe, swing everything over and turn your hip. And that's the basic head kick. Thanks for watching.